Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you Facebook Marketplace not showing up. So the very first thing you should do here, if you can't see this Marketplace feature at the top, is that you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. If you're using Android, go to Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go to App Store. Search for Facebook, and if you see an update button right here, you have to click that one so that you can also use the latest features of Facebook. So make sure that this one is up to date. After that, you're going to exit and open your Facebook application and see if the marketplace option and feature is right here. If not, then the next thing you should do is you have to look for a shortcut. So you can go to this gear icon, settings and privacy, scroll down and look for a shortcut. If you can't find it right here, then you can go to the search icon and look for shortcut. Now, if you have this a shortcut feature, I don't have this one. Maybe it depends on the region or country. All you have to do is to look for marketplace and then tap that one. Once you selected marketplace as one of your shortcuts, then you can probably see that marketplace feature at the top. If not, then the last thing you should do here is to ask for a help from their customer service team. To do that, you have to open your Facebook again. Tap these three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for report a problem. Once you tap this report a problem, you have to scroll down and click this continue to report a problem. After that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is creating a report. Next is you have to click include, okay, and then select a product marketplace to be exact. Okay, tap this one. Now you can describe the issue. So you can type here whatever you want. You can copy this one. And also, as you can see, there is this upload from phone. You can upload here a screenshot or a proof that this marketplace feature option is invisible or you cannot access this on your Facebook application. After that, click send and wait for the customer service team to respond to your report. If you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.